Oh Lord, peace, peace, Jehovah. Blessed are the peacemakers, children of God. When anger fills the room and hearts are torn apart, Jesus says forgive and love with all your heart. Do not fight your brother, do not hate your friend. Where there is forgiveness, healing will begin. Blessed are the peacemakers, children of the Lord. They shine like little candles, bringing peace to the world. Blessed are the peacemakers, walking in God's light, turning pain to mercy, turning darkness bright. Kana vanhu vachirwa, iva munhu werunyararo. Jesu vanoda rudo, kwete moyo wehasha. Speak with love and kindness, usadzosere zvakaipa. God is watching over vana vake verunyararo. Runyararo, runyararo. Mwari vanoda rugare. Peace begins within us, kana tichiregerera. Blessed are the peacemakers, they shall be called God's own. Planting seeds of unity, never standing alone. Jesus calmed the stormy sea with only just a word. Now unogona zvakare kuparadza mirizhonga. Love your neighbor every day, even when it's hard. For the ones who make true peace, walk closely with the Lord. Blessed are the peacemakers. Sing it loud today. God will bless the humble hearts who choose the peaceful way. Blessed are the peacemakers. With forgiveness and compassion, we carry victory. Runyararo, children of God. Blessed